Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Gout Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is the process cooperation and the synchronization. So in this topic is taken by Unit 4. So first of all we discuss the concurrency. So what is concurrency? Concurrency is the interleaving of process in time to give the appearance of the execution the program, and the operating system allow the multiple programs to run at the same time is called concurrency is called concurrency. So multiple programs at a time in the run the system. A running the program is known as a process. A fact modern operating system even allow a the single program execution. So the definition of concurrency is the interleaving the process is time to give the appearance of the uh, simultaneous execution. Operating system allows the multiple programs. So at a time the more programs work in the one user in the one system, so that is called concurrency. The program run to at same time is called concurrency. And the next topic is race condition. So what is a race condition? A race condition is the several process the access and multiplies the same data. So what is data? Data is the information. So collection of the information called data. So database organized collection of related data. For example, we take the some student information, student name, student hall ticket number, student marks. So these are the details is called student information. So in this the outcome and of the execution depends on the particular order in which the access takes place is called a race condition. And before we discuss the just today the what is internet, what is the definition of internet, what is the use of internet. So what is the interact with the operating system and relation to the internet. So just we discuss in the briefly. So what is internet? The network of the network is called internet. So what is the network? The LAN, WAN, man. So these are the networks is called internet. So joining the many government universities and the private computers and the together and the providing the infrastructures for the use of the email, electronic mail, and the bulletin boards and the files, archives, and the hypertext and the documents, databases, and other uh, computations and the resources. The vast collection of the computer networks which from act as a single hug, the network of for the transport data. So and the messages access the distance which can be the anywhere from the same office to the anywhere in the world. So just what is the internet? It is a network of the network is called internet. In this network we use the daily in the mails are received and send the information to one person to another person. So office and the different places used by the emails, electronic mails in the different types. So that is the mainly used for the internet. And the many universities, all organizations are used for nowadays the internet. So without internet we cannot do any work. So it is easy to process the applications and the download and send the information and fill up the information and send the information so easily. So each and everyone depends on internet. So online system, the online system is mostly the online business, the online system, and these are the different types of online information depends on the internet. So we received some items and we send the items, and each and everyone in the mobiles also used for the internet access. So this is see the diagram, a worldwide So send the and the receive the information to one place to another place. This is the most of countries are there. One country to another country, we send the information and receive the information. And what is internet? The largest network of networks in the world. So uses TCP and IP. So internet protocols and the packet switching and the runs on any communications and the subtract. So the largest network of networks. What is the largest networks of network? So the in the world uses the TCP and the IP protocols. The packets and switching the runs any communications subtractions and briefly history of the internet. So 1968 DARPA and the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency and the contacts with the uh, BBN to create the ARPA net. So 1970 first five nodes. This is the UCLA and the Stanford and the UC and the uh, U of the Altah and the BBN. So 1974 TCP and the specifications by the WINT and the CRF and the 1984 on January 1st the internet with the thousands hosts and the converts EN and the MAS to using TCP by IP for its the messages. So this is the history of the internet. So internet growth, how to grow the internet? 1977, 111 hosts on the internet. Just for few members are there. So 1981, 2000 hosts, and the 1983, 5,562 hosts, and the 1984, 1000 hosts, and the 1986, 5000 hosts. So and the 1987, 10,000 hosts, 1989, 1 lakh hosts, and the 1992, so 10 lakhs hosts, 2001 and 150 to 175 million hosts, and the 2002 over the 200 million hosts, and by 2010 about 80% of the planet and will be on the internet. The internet growth trends. Number of participating in the hosts October and the 90 April 2000, 1998. So here the new survey, the old survey, the difference between the increased by the using of the internet. The internet is the timeline of the copyright. So day by day increased by the used by the each and every person. So without internet we cannot do. So that is the internet is the purpose increased by the day by day. The growth internet is the hosts of the September in the 1969, 2002. Here, so here see the and increased by the 2002 September. And the domain and the name registration January 89 and the July 97. The TCP and the IP addresses. So what is TCP and the IP address? Internet protocol address. Every host on the internet must have a unique IP addresses. The IP addresses is the 32-bit number which and we write in the dotted decimal notation. The first part of the IP address is the network address. The remainder is the host ID. So that is called IP address is the internet protocol address. So this is the main important IP address is the 32-bit number which is the write by the dotted in the decimal notation. The first part IP address is the network address. So the network address is the remainders is the host of ID. The subnet is the mask is used to and determine the network address from the IP host and address. All the hosts on the same network are the configured with the sum and the subnet of mask. So network address example. So what is the network address? See host address is the 192 and the 252.12 and 14. The subnet mask is the 255.255.255 dot and the 0. This is the host address and the subnet address. The obtain of the network address and the host IP address with the it's the subnet mask and host IP address is the 11 and the 5 6 zeros and the 6100 point some. These are the numbers are IP address host, and the mask addresses are the 3 4 6 1 6 1 and the 6 1 dot all zeros. So net address. So comparing with the both IP host IP and the mask, the net address which is the 192.152.12.0. So obtaining and the internet network address, the IP address and the must be unique. That is a only single address, or the internet will be not and stable. The internet network and the information center and the inter NIC was the originally and the responsible for issuing the internet network addresses, and today the internet assigned the number and the authority IANA issue network and the addresses to the information service providers. So ISPs and the domain name system and the DNS. The IP addresses are used to and identify the hosts on a TCP IP network. Example 134.220.1.9. So number are the not friendly. The people and the preferred the names, and the DNS is a protocol and the used to map IP addresses to the textual names. For example, we take the www.wlv and .ac.uk. The maps to 134.2.20. See domain names. The systems are IP addresses used to identity hosts in the TCP and the Internet Protocol networks. So example 134.220.1.9 and the DNS on the internet. So the DNS names have the hierarchical structure. Example and the www and the ac.uk. Here top level domain and the second level domain and the several server name and the level. Here he see the com and the root level, com and the net and the fruk and the us. They are you see the ACCO and the ASTON and the stops WLV and the CLUUN and the WW and the FFP. Internet email address. So, for example, we take the mel.ralph@wlv.ac.u.uk. So, local part and the domain name is the mail server. So, in this part, for example, we take the one address, one mail ID, venkatesh@gmail.com. Venkatesh is the local part and the @gmail is the domain name and the mail server. So mail of server. The local part is the name of the special file stored on the mail server called the user mailbox. The domain name is the resolved using DNS. The mail server is the known as a mail exchanged. Here see the we divided the parts two types. The first one name is the local part. The second one name is the domain and the name the mail server. And the hypertext transfer protocol HTTP. So we prepare the different types of web pages. We use the HTTP hypertext and the HTML and the HTTP. HTML is the hypertext markup language. We prepare some number of websites in this one, and the hypertext transfer protocol HTTP. So here see the one diagram is there, the browser app and the request, the internet TCP IP and the web pages, the www server. So web page and the request browser app. In this the internet protocol is the ICP and the IP address. Here the HTTP is the protocol used to access and the resource on the World Wide Web. A browser, the application is used to send a request to www server for a resource, example a web page and the graphics file and the audio file, etc. The server responds by the sending the resource a file and on the client and the closing the connection. So here the request for the browser app, the internet TCP and the web page, this is the server. The request for the user, it is the transfer to the web server to the data, the internet, the TCP and the internet protocol transfer to the request for receiving the user and the web browse the internet. So the HTTP is the protocol used to access resource on the World Wide Web. So this is called shortcutly www dot. So World Wide Web and the browser application used to send the request to World Wide Web, the server resource, example the www page and the graphics file, audio file. So each and every one it is the received by the request to the server give to and send the information to the user. The server responds the sending the resource a file to client to closing the connection. So and the uniform resource locator URL. So URL is the standard for the specifying the and where puts the resource and such as a web page on the internet. So a URL has four parts: HTTP, www dot and the WLV and AC.uk dot and the IT index and the HTML. The protocol host and the port number. So name of the web page. Here the protocol used to and the retrieve the resource the host where the resource is held. The port is the number of the server and the process on the host. The name of the resources, different types of files. Here see the some different types of the HTTP and the www, the URL part four parts. So each and every URL part uh, is the four types. So shortcutly we call the URL. The URL stands for Uniformed Resource Locator. URL is the stands for the specifying the and where about the resource such as a web page on the internet. A URL has four parts: HTTP, that is called protocol, and the www and the AC, this is called host, and the UK and the IT, this is the port number, slash index.html, name of the web page. So and the protocol used to the resources retrieve resources and the host where the resource is held, the port and number of the server, the process on the host, and the name of the resources file. So URL difficult. A server will normally be set up to be and the user use the standard difficult. This enables the URL to be simplified in the case of web server. For the example, and the default port will be and the IT default name for home page will be index and the HTML. Hence the previous URL can be and the shortened to www and the WLV ac.uk. File transfer protocol FPT. Here FPT and the FPT daemon CO and the UK PUB. The protocol for the copying of the files between the client and the FTP server and the users to the TCP connection for the and the reliable transfer for the files with the and the error checking. And the most browsers supporting the FTP or the use and the dedicated the FTP client program. Here the example WS underscore FTP and the tribal file the transfer protocol TFTP. This is called a transfer file transfer protocol, is the lightweight version to small money device. And the telnet. So what is telnet? The telnet allows the user to run commands and programs and the remotely on the another the computer access the internet. So that is called a telnet. The user runs the telnet client program on the local host. The telnet server process and the must be running on the remote host. The user must have the necessary the premises and password to access the remote host. So this is called telnet information. And the some ports of the assigned 21 FTP, 23 telnet and the 25 SMTP and the mail 20 GOPHER and the 79 finger and the 80 HTTP. So introduction and the multi-programming managed of the multiple process within a set of the process and the system. The multi-processing and the management of the multiple process within a multiple process. The distributed the processing and the management of the multiple process and the execution on the multiple distributed computer system. So here see the key terms related to concurrency. So automatic operation and the critical section, this is the deadlock and the leave locks, the execution of the race condition. uh, these are the topics is key terms related concurrency. So, what is the concurrency? The concurrency, the communication among the process. The user can use the multi programs in the system, and the communication among the process. The communication between called concurrency, and the sharing and the computing of the resources and the synchronization of the activities of the multiple processes. The allocation of the process time to process when concurrency arises. So the multiple applications structured the applications, the operating system, multiple applications means the user can use the different types of applications. For example, we take the at a time used for the MS Office and the listening the songs and the browsing the web browser and the open the different types of websites, minimize the websites and open the different types of websites. This is called multiple applications. So he used the at a time number of websites and used for the different types, that is called multiple applications, structured applications. So what is structure application? The structure application is the design for the system application and the application softwares. The application structure is the different types of softwares can use in the computers and the operating system structure. So what is operating system? It is interface between the system and user. Without operating system we cannot run the computer, so that is called the operating system. So see that the race condition of courses occurs two or the more process. What is the process means? Run the program, the threads access and the multiple and same the data concurrently, and the outcome of the execution depends on a particular order to which the access and the takes place. The synchronization is the needed to prevent this condition from the happening. And the principles of the concurrency. So some of the principles are that the problems encountered during the concurrency and the sharing of the global resources is the uh, fraud with the peril and the difficulty the managing of the allocation of the resources and the optimally, and the difficulty in the locality the programming the error and the because results are the typically not in the deterministic and the uh, reproducibles. This simple example, so see the and the wide ECHO and the close bracket open the brace here CHIN is equal to getch and the CHAR and the C out is equal to CHIN, PUT CHAR is the C out. So this is the simple example of program. And the operating system the concerns. So what is design and the management issues or the and the raised by the concurrency. Concurrence means it is a process time is called concurrency. So the operating system should be keep track the active the process. The operating system. So the operating system. The operating system should be protected against the and the interference by the other process, and the result of the process should be in the independent of the speed of execution the relative to other and the concurrent process. This is called interaction. The process interaction, the table is explained by the process interaction, the competition among the process and the resource, the three control problems. So what are the multiple execution, example printer. So multiple execution means the user can use the multiple programming purpose, and he used the printer to and the output will be received by the printer. He print to the different types of information to give the printer, and the print the data will be print and take by the paper. So that is the use of the multi mutual execution. Example is the printer, and the mutual execution leads two or more conditions, the problems, the deadlocks and the starvations. Mutual execution can be achieved by the locking and the resource prior to its the use. And the mutual execution. So critical section and the mutual execution. The critical section is the section of the code is in which the process access shared the resource, and thus the execution of the critical section and must be mutually executive. Example, at most one, the process can be in its the critical section at any time. So the critical section problem is to design the protocol that the process can be used the cooperate. Here C out and C plus plus C out in the C out plus plus C out minus minus C out C out. The critical section is the protocol. A critical section protocol is the consists of the two parts, the enter section and the exit section. Here see the three parts are there, and the enter section, critical section and the exit section. So do and the do while statement. The critical section is the protocol consists of the two parts, enter section and the exit section. The between the is the exit. The critical section is the must run in the mutual execution. And the solutions to the critical section problem. Any solution to the critical section problem and the must start is satisfied by the following three conditions, and the mutual execution, the process and the bounded waiting. Eh, moreover, the solution cannot and depend on CPU, central processing unit, relatives and the speed and scheduling policy. And cooperation among the process by the sharing the shared variables, files, database and data items may be accessed the reading and writing mode, and only the writing the must be mutual execution of the and the requirement data sources. So here we discuss the what is the sharing data and information. What is the server and the clients? The server clients information. We enter into the data to the some number of clients are there. The clients are received the data, and it is a very security by the server configuration is the very high level server processor and the server motherboard, and the server each and every one is the high level configurations, and the clients are the low level configuration. So the higher level the configurations is the different, the lower level configuration is the something different. So shared variables, the files database, the data items may be and accessed in reading and the writing mode, the only writing mode, and the must be mutually exclusive, and the requirement data coherence. Here P1 A is equal to A1 A plus 1, and the B is equal to B plus 1, and the P2 B is equal to 2 into B, and A is equal to A into A. Here A is equal to A plus 1. Here B is equal to B 2 into B, and the B is equal to B plus 1. So A is equal to 2 plus A. So this is the sharing. Sharing means that is the information will be shared by the one system to another system. The data will be transferred the database. So organized collection of related data shared by the number of clients. The 10 clients are there. The server is one. The server information total will be received by the servers, the clients. So how to and the interact the internet connection to in the personal computers. So in the market available for the private companies and the government BSNL company, broadband connections are there and the private connections are there. So the connection will be taken by it will be attached by the internal and the external uh, telnet. So the telephone is the must, and the data will be changed by the telephone connection. So it is the received by the data and they send the data. So and the mails also, it is the most useful to the users for the send receive information, and the charting for the ATM, receive the information, send the information, multiple purpose we can use the internet nowadays. So and then not only receive the mail, send the mail, and we can search some different types of information also, just like
we enter into the Google, and in this Google we search some information, just like we take the degree colleges in the Hyderabad and the degree colleges in the Karimnagar, and the universities information, whatever it may be, just we type the topic of the Google search engine, so searched by the linked with the related matters also, the related matters. So we want which mat which we want the matters that will be displayed, and select the information, automatically open the data and database. So that is the linked information and related with the web page. So automatically the web page will open, the information will be attached by the system, and we see the total information. uh, so what is information, how many colleges available in the Hyderabad and how many colleges in the available in the Karimnagar district. So number of colleges, and what is the strength particulars. We see the total information of the websites, linked websites also available. We open the linked college linked websites, the total college information will be displayed on the screen. So the college correspondence and the principal and the staff, teaching staff and the non-teaching staff. So and how many students are studying in the first year, second year, final year, total strength of the college, and the BSc students and the BCom students and the BA students. So these are the different types of groups are there. These groups and individual groups and the males and females, which members are and studying in this college, the college information total will be displayed on the website. And college information and structure of the college, how many departments are there, math, science, maths and physics. So and the different departments, zoology, botany and the chemistry. So and next one is the computer science, computer applications and the commerce, the BA. These are the different types of the subjects and the attached with the college link. So how many staff members, the qualification of the staff members and the students, first year students and the second year final year students of the qualifications. It is the uh, passed students and the failure students database total available in the website. So that is the shared with the data and the database. And cooperation among the process by the communications. So what is the communication? Communication is the provide way to the synchronize the coordinating of the various activities. So communication between it is the LAN WAN systems. We send the information and the receive the information. The relation between the one system to the another system. So that is the communication to send the information and the receive the information. We change the some information. The softwares are available there, system software and the application software. So total softwares are there. In these softwares, the communication provides a way to the synchronize the coordinate the various activities, and this is done by the messaging. So and the mutual execution is not a control, and the requirement for this is the sort of the cooperation has the deadlocks and the problems. And the requirements of the mutual executions, ME and the should be the enforced a process that halts its the non-critical, and the section should not be interface which and with other process, no deadlocks and the stavrations. And when a no process is the share in it the CS, the a process, the requirement of the CS should be the granted permissions, the process and the remains the CS could be and the finite time. So ways to arrive at the mutual execution, the software approvals. So what is the software? The set of programs the available for the two types, system software and the application software. The system run the system software, that is the Windows 98 2000 XP. These are the different types of system softwares, and the Unix, the Linux also. These are the multiple and the operating systems. So the single user and the supported by the multiple also. The softwares and the application softwares, the user can use the different types of application softwares. What are they? They are the database management system, and the next one the database DBMS, and the MS Office, and the SQL structure query language. These are the different types of softwares. The user can attach to the hospital software, and the next one the railway software. These are the application softwares. So leave the responsibility to the process that the which the execute the concurrently, and the dis and the high the processing of the overhead and the bugs. The hardware the approaches the special purpose and the
machine, the instructions, the and the reducing the overhead. The some level of the support within the OS operating system or the programming language, semaphores and the monitors. And the mutual execution, the execution of the software approaches and they can be implemented for the concurrent and the process that they execute the single process and the multi process machine and with the shared the main memory. So what is the memory? The memory, the user can enter data into the input devices, keyboard or mouse. The enter data will be transferred into the CPU, central processing unit. Here in this the ALU, arithmetic logic unit, the enter data will be transferred data changed by the automatically. So we take one example: a is equal 10, b is equal 20, c is equal to a plus b. The c is equal is the 10 and the 10 is the 10 plus 10 is the 20 is the answer. That is the ALU, arithmetic logic unit, automatically changed by the process, and the control unit control all the activities of computers, and after the data will be transferred into the memory unit. Here I have available for the two types memory: primary memory and the secondary storage memory. Primary is the RAM and ROM, secondary is the primary is the RAM and ROM, secondary is the hard disk and the pen drive. These are the secondary storage devices. So mutual execution, it is the implemented for the concurrent process that execute on a single process or the multi-process and the machine with the shared and the main memory. The software solutions for the two process. The suppose we have two process and the P0 and the P1. Let one is the process to P1 and the other two be P2. The where j is equal to 1, I 1 minus I. So thus I, if I is equal to 0 and the respective I is equal to 1, then I is equal to 1. So we want to design the entire exit the protocol for the critical section so that the mutual execution is the granted. And the first attempt here, see the one diagram is there, the process, the global variable, the turn controls who and can they enter the critical sections. The since turn is the either 0 or 1 and the only one can be entered, the however the process are the forced to run in the alternating of the way. So bus waiting, waiting process and the respect repeatedly reads the value of turn the global memory locations until the allowed to enter. It is the critical section, and the disadvantage placed to the execution of the distributed by the slower. And the second attempt, so first attempt, second attempt, the variable flag 1 is the stage of the process 0 and the interested or the not interested, the express it's the intention of enter the wait for P1 to exit and the enters it's the section and the finally changes to I am out the upon. So here the in this way the discussed by the concurrency and the race condition. See, and concurrency is the and the interleveling of the process and the time to and the give the appearance and the simulates execution. Operating system allows the multi programs. So what is the multi programs? One at a time we can open the multi programs, the C program, and open the Word documentation. So we see the some different types of websites. That is the multiple operations at a time we open. That is called the concurrency. Means the process will be run on the computers. That is called concurrency. A running program known as the process, de facto modern operating system, and the even allows a single program and the execution. And the race condition. The race condition is several process the access and the same data. So organized collection of related information concurrently and the outcome of the execution and that depends on the particular orders to which the access takes the places called is the race condition. So these both are the concurrency and the race conditions. So this is the information and the briefly discussed by the internet and the how to internet connectivity and the what is the advantages and what is the use of the internet and how to connect the protocols and internet protocol and internet related information and definition of the information internet. So the network of the network is called internet. So the total, it is useful for the students and employees, and the worldwide used by the day by day increased by the internet. Without internet we cannot do any work. So it is the most important of the these information, internet information and concurrency and the race conditions. Okay, thank you students.